Day 9. No room in the inn. Key verse. There was no room for them in the inn. Luke 2 verse 7. Children's lesson. When Mary and Joseph finally reached Bethlehem, they looked for a place to stay. The town was crowded with people traveling for the census. Everywhere they checked, the answer was the same: no room. Every inn was full. Every house had guests. Mary was about to have her baby and they needed a place fast. Finally, someone let them stay in a stable, a quiet place where animals slept. It wasn't fancy. It wasn't warm or soft. But it was the place God had chosen for his son to enter the world. Sometimes God works through surprises, and even the places that seem small or humble can be filled with his glory. Recipe: little stable biscuits. Simple, soft biscuits that remind us of the humble place where Jesus was born. Ingredients: 2 cups baking mix, like Bisquick, 2/3 cup milk, 2 tablespoons butter, melted, honey for drizzling. Instructions: preheat oven to 450 F, 230 degrees Celsius. Mix baking mix and milk until soft dough forms. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto a baking sheet. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until golden. Brush with melted butter. Serve with a little honey. Warm, simple, comforting, just like the stable. Bible thought. The world had no room for Jesus, yet he came with love for everyone. Let's make room in our hearts for him today.